Say Johnny. I'm John Robert Dodd. I'm 20 months old. And I can make funny sounds. Look at Mommy. What's an elephant do? Do a better elephant. What's an elephant do? What's a cow do? What's a kitty cat do? What's a doggy do? What's a duck do? What's a frog do? Ribbit. What's a horsey do? What's a chicken do? What's a sheep do? No, that's ba ba. What's a lion do? Yeah. How do you go to sleep? Do you go? How do you say surprise? Say surprise. Surprise! Mommy's crazy, huh? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Are you all done? You did all your sounds? You're good? Say bye-bye. Mwah. Can I have a kiss?
Blow her kiss.
Can I have a kiss? Whatever.